Sometimes when you are in a quiet environment and you're trying to reply messages, the keyboard makes a typing sound which you may find unnecessarily loud. In today's video, I will show you how to turn off your keyboard sound on your iPhone. Hey, what's up everyone, I'm Steph, and in this channel, I teach you quick daily tech tips that make your life a little easier. Go to Settings on your iPhone. Scroll down to Sounds and Haptics. Scroll down to Keyboard Feedback. Here you can see that the sound is turned on. If you wish to turn off the sound, tap on the selection to uncheck this option and your keyboard sound will be turned off. Alternatively, if you just wish to turn off your keyboard sound temporarily, you can switch your iPhone to silent mode by turning to the side of your iPhone and flipping the lever switch, which will be indicated by a red bar at the side. In this way, your keyboard and other sounds will be muted until you flip the switch back to normal mode, where all your sounds will be back to normal. I hope today's video was easy to understand, and if you like more of such videos, don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. Until the next video, I'm Steph, take care and bye bye.